Hi there, this video is called Red Kite Flying Over Virginia Water Lake. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it comes back into sight, the red kite. There she is. She's a beautiful bird. She's a beautiful bird. Give me a thumbs up for this if you like this video. See how she glides and uses the firmer winds to fly and glide in the wind. Very close now. Very close. There it is. So if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, with you always, quite a nice spot, and the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. Please enjoy this video. Falcon Falcon, or Red Kite. Red Kite, I would say. Red Kite flying over Virginia water today. There's two of them now. Cool, innit? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye everyone.